Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Zone. Today we're diving into the world of quadratic equations. Don't worry if math isn't your favorite subject. I'll walk you through step by step so it makes sense. You're focusing on what's called the standard form of quadratics. Let's get started. So what is a quadratic equation? Sometimes you have to ask yourself, so what exactly is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable, usually x, is squared or raised to the power of 2. The classic shape of the equation creates a graph called a parabola, which looks like a U shape, either opening up or down. Here on the screen, you can see two different types of graphs. One, the first in green is the parabola opening downwards. The second graph in blue is the parabola opening upwards. These equations can model real-life situations like projectile motion, area calculations, and even economics. Today, we'll be focusing on the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation looks like this. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the coefficient next to ax squared, which affects the parabola's width and direction. B is the coefficient of x influencing the position of the vertex along the x-axis. C is the constant term, or the y-intercept, where the graph crosses the y-axis. So let's try an example. Label A, B, and C. As you can see, y is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. A is in the spot next to the x squared, so A is equal to 2. 4 is in the spot next to x, which would be equal to B. And 3 is the constant, which would equal C. Now let's see how each term affects the parabola's shape and position. Let's talk about A. A is the value that determines whether the parabola opens up or down. If A is positive, the parabola opens upwards, like a smile. If A is negative, it opens downwards, like a frown. It also affects how wide or narrow the parabola is. Larger values of A make the parabola narrower, while smaller values make it wider. The B value impacts the horizontal position of the vertex. Changing B shifts the parabola left or right, but doesn't affect its shape. The C value is the y-intercept, where the graph crosses the y-axis. It only moves the parabola up and down without changing its shape. To recap, a quadratic equation in standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Understanding the roles of A, B, and C helps you graph it, interpret its shape, and apply it to real life. Next time you will see the quadratic equation, you'll know exactly what's going on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more easy to understand math tutorials. Leave a comment if there's a specific topic you'd like to cover or learn. See you in the next video.